Let's look at the final dashboard controls in Toolbox.
The first is the classes control.
If you are using Toolbox in a school, classes is where you go to see what classes you are enrolled in.
Often your teacher would have already enrolled you in the class.
If not, ask them. And you can add yourself into the relevant class just by clicking Add Class.
How do you see all the work that you've done, or any tasks that a teacher has sent you?
Work is easy. Everything you write in Toolbox is stored in Work.
You can put pieces into folders, even make your own folders in which to store your writing.
Cleverly, all the pieces of writing you have been working on recently are in the Recent Work carousel. To go back to a piece, just click on it.
If you ever want to see your daily challenges, these are stored in a separate folder called Daily Challenges. You can also choose to view your pieces in a list view or an icon view.
Finally, any tasks your teacher has sent you can be found in Tasks. And in this screen, you can see both tasks that are current and tasks that you have already completed.
That's the tour of the main dashboard completed.